Boner conduction.
Dancing to the moment till it's 12 o'clock. I'm dancing to the moment till it's 12 o'clock.
Here's something a little different, something you don't see every day. Now this here bone rattling device is the OpenMove from Shokz. You got the 6 hours of music and calls, IP55 sweat resistant, USB-C, secure titanium fit, no idea what that means, premium pitch 2.0 stereo sound, okay, and an open ear design. Now that's what we care about here. Now instead of going into your ear holes, this is different. Like the name implies, it rattles your skull. Ooh. Here they are. Dang. These are really lightweight. They feel like nothing. That's crazy. Oh, cool. They like magnetically clasp together. Wow, fancy. Your little pouch for your goobies. You could put one of these. You could put SpongeBob in there. You could put Subaru. You could put some batteries. You could put an iPod in there. Look, all ready to go in your little travel case. Ooh, fancy. Oh, you know what? That's actually really cool. You can customize these, I think. These are like stickers. That's really nice. I like that a lot. Wow. Oh, that's nice. That's a really fun touch. They didn't have to do that. That's so cool. That's awesome, because I was thinking about it. I'm like, when I bought these, I really didn't like the gray stripe through them. And so knowing that you can cover that up, that's so cool. Also, they have red, so. Woohoo! Ooh, wow, we're advanced. We're living in the goddamn future. USB-C to USB-C. They don't play around. None of this USB Type A anymore. We did it, guys. 2025. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C. Oh, wow. I'm a bit of a learned man. Let's see what I can do here. Nihongo. That means Japanese. To maintenance. Guys, I think that means maintenance. Yeah, that's all I got. I give up. Let's give this an actual look, because I don't know how you would take care of these if I'm being real. Store headphones in a cool, dry place. Alright, should be pretty damn difficult. Keep the product away from heat sources. So yeah guys, don't do one of these. That they don't like that. Okay, so in other words, don't be a fucking dick with them. Use them like pretty much everything else, and probably shouldn't wear these while driving. I think that goes for any kind of headphone, even if they are open. This product is transparency enabled. I like how it's all crooked. That's good. That's a good bit. Wow, these are not half bad. Chill, look at that. Pretty good, pretty damn good. You got your volume controls, you got your pairing, you got your multi-function button. Let's put these on. It's about damn time. Ooh, they're like kind of plasticky. I was worried that they were gonna be a little bit papery, but the eggheads at Shokz, they know that'd be fucking stupid. Look at that. Wow, ain't she a beaut? Woo, look at that. Dude, that's pretty cool. Wow, of all the colors, they picked my favorite. Wow. Alright, Shokz. Ooh, fancy. Ain't that nice? Look at that. A classy pair of bone conductors. It's fun while it lasted. Now you guys are gonna have to deal with future me. In 3, 2, 1. Oh my god, we're back months later. Started this video in about late November, and now it's late March, and I have to admit, these have 100% completely grown on me. I wear these every single day, pretty much all day. These have completely replaced my other Bluetooth earbuds. And I've also managed to replace my regular wired earbuds and my headphones. I love audio quality and I value it, dude, I value it a lot, but that's not what these are. These are about comfort and ease of use. Sound quality wise, these do the job of getting noise in your head. And that's all that matters really. No, these aren't for critical listening or for blocking out the world around you, but you can always just have these in a pair of normal headphones / earbuds. Let's start with the good. The battery life on these are fucking great. I've worn these to sleep and they pretty much last all night. I hardly ever need to charge them, and when I do charge these, they charge pretty damn fast. The Bluetooth on these are super reliable. I only ever had issues when I'd connect to my PC and for some reason the audio would show up only as the hands-free option and not the headphones option, but I think that's more of an Ubuntu issue than an OpenMove issue. My phone also reliably connects every single time, no issues, and I love that. I guess Bluetooth in general has gotten more reliable and easy to use, but these for sure kick ass in the Bluetooth department. Along with the good Bluetooth, the controls are pretty easy to use and are easy to remember. Picking up the phone and hanging up, play, pause, they're super simple. You just click that button right there. Volume up and down are in a harder to reach spot, but I prefer that because it makes it a little harder to press it accidentally. It's also the power button, so it makes sense for it to be there, and it's not too cumbersome if you ask me. These are also just so much fun to show off. These are such a cool party trick. This always blows people's minds. Pretty great conversation starter. Everybody loves asking, oh, what are those? How do they work? And then you put them on them and it blows their mind. Comfortable. That's the word I would use to describe these. They go on your head easily. They don't give you headphone hair, which is a really, really nice plus. And wearing glasses with these is no sweat, at least for me and the pairs of glasses I wear. They're super light and are surprisingly durable. Along with being light, they're also super small, so you can really take these with you anywhere. Now this might be my favorite part of this, but since you don't put these actually in your ears, you don't gotta mess with earbud tips, which is a lifesaver for me, because earbud tips always give me trouble. Dude, just trying to find the right size earbud tips, it's just hell on earth, and sometimes they're itchy in your ears, and this is the worst part, but my body is a machine that turns being alive into mass earwax production. So not having to deal with that is heaven on earth, dude. For me, these fit my head pretty damn good, but the loop is a little annoying. It just kind of juts out and can be frustrating, especially when you're trying to lie down flat with these on. The bad. That loop really is bothersome. If it was adjustable, that would have been just perfect, but maybe they could revise on that on future models. Sound. Music doesn't sound as good as like bass level earbuds, but that's really excusable because the sound is literally being vibrated through your head. Oh, the OpenMoves don't sound that good to you? Sounds like a skull issue, pal. The instrument separation, or how much distance there is between the instruments and music, is pretty fucking bad. Everything feels like it's fighting for space and there isn't much room to breathe. I think it's just because of the way these work, the vibration through your head. It doesn't ruin the music, and it's pretty ignorable sometimes, but it is there and it's a little obvious, at least to me. Bass heavy music or really loud audio in general genuinely shakes the fuck out of your head, and it's pretty damn annoying. Now, these technically do work, and that alone is an absolute feat of engineering, but you better be comfortable in your taste in music because you'll be sharing it with people directly next to you. If you like Weezer, I suggest not using these in public, lest you get beat the fuck up. But you're a Weezer fan, so you probably don't go out in public to begin with, and getting beat up is inevitable. Yeah, these bleed like crazy. For podcasts or YouTube videos, it's not too bad, but with music, I tend to play it a little louder, and that makes the noise bleed far worse. If you're alone or have a good bit of distance between you and other people, this isn't too bad of a problem. At least to me, the noise bleed by far is the absolute biggest issue with these, but honestly, in the right situation or environment or with the right person, these can overcome that issue. The final part of the bad. the stickers came off, and that pisses me off. Just some random thoughts. I wore these guys sleeping, skateboarding, editing, gaming, just hanging out. Wore them when it was raining. Not that bad. They take some time to get used to, but overall, they pretty much disappear at one point or another. I use these guys a lot while editing some of my previous videos. Now, they do get the job done, but if it's something important, especially in terms of the audio, it does not have super trustworthy sound reproduction, so I wouldn't rely on them for a task like that, but I think that kind of goes without saying. They're really cool for multitasking, especially with gaming. If you want something on in the background while gaming, these are perfect. They don't interrupt or interfere with game audio. They're not the best for reproducing 3D sound, but it gives you the gist. So you can use them in any kind of way, especially in the multitasking sense. I even got my friend to get a pair of them, and he really likes them. Now, is it worth it? If you can get it on sale, absolutely maybe. Get a pair on sale, try it out. That's what I did, and I ended up loving it. But maybe you won't, maybe you will. But I would definitely try to get these when they're on some sort of sale. Are they worth it full price? Honestly, no. They could be a little cheaper. Not by like a lot, maybe like 10, 15 bucks, and that would be the sweet spot. These would be perfect at that price range, and that's kind of what I got them on sale for. They're a very novel way to listen to stuff, but in the right hands, or more aptly, on the right ears, these could be very practical and a game changer. Not at all for everyone, but could be the move for a select few. I wear them every day, pretty much all day, and I absolutely love them. Yeah, those are my thoughts. This video was a long time in the making. Finally was like, this is enough time to say whether I like them or not. So, do you guys have a pair of them? Do you like them? I really like them, obviously. I've been singing their praises this whole video. Would you ever want to get a pair? But yeah, that's pretty much all I had to say. As always, thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment. For the love of God, please subscribe. Please like. You know what? Just watch the video even. That's cool too. But yeah, thank you guys. See you in the next one. Bye.
Shake.
Mason Troy Adams.
I wonder what's for dinner.